Hi, I'm Robin Dresky, Branch General Manager here in Wollongong. We're standing on site of what's soon to be our new Wollongong Commercial Laundry. We've proudly supported businesses across the Illawarra and South Coast, and this chapter is about something big. More capacity, smarter systems, and an even better service experience for our customers. This new commercial laundry has been purpose-built to support the growing needs of businesses across the region. It's significantly larger with upgraded automation, smarter workflow design and increased processing capacity. It's not just bigger, we're building one of Alsco Uniforms' most energy efficient, lowest carbon emitting laundries in Australia.
With increased capacity and smarter systems, we can reduce bottlenecks and respond faster. This will improve turnaround times and service reliability. That means more consistent delivery times and fewer delays, especially during peak periods.
Increased capacity means more locations can be serviced. This new plant allows us to support Illawarra and South Coast region. We can service more businesses across hospitality, accommodation and food industries, while still delivering the same quality, product and great service from our local team.
Automation improves service by streamlining how we sort, track and process items. It improves accuracy, speeds up turnaround times and strengthens quality control. For customers, that means consistency, reliability and confidence that everything is handled with precision. This will be one of our most productive commercial laundries.
This isn't just a new building, it's a smarter way of operating with automated conveyor systems, advanced wash technology and system-driven quality controls. We're improving consistency and performance at every stage. It's all designed to deliver reliable outcomes even when demand is high. The increased capacity for the Illawarra and South Coast region means we're ready. Ready to support growing industries like manufacturing, healthcare, hospitality and mining.
Ready to support more businesses across the Illawarra and South Coast without compromising service.
It means having a stronger, more capable local partner. Fast service, greater flexibility and the confidence that supply can keep up with demand. As businesses grow, their uniform and hygiene needs grow with them. This new branch means we can scale alongside our customers, whether they're thinking hiring more staff, opening new locations or increasing production at scale.
Industries like manufacturing, construction, healthcare, food processing and hospitality will benefit most. These sectors rely on consistency and compliance, and that's exactly what our facility is built to deliver.
Our commitment to the Illawarra and South Coast region is a long-term investment. We're not just servicing the region, we're growing with it. This facility positions us to support the region for many years to come. Sustainability is built into how this plant operates. With improved water efficiency, energy-saving systems and smarter load management, we're reducing waste and optimising resources. We're expecting to reduce emissions at the new site when compared with the existing site by around 50%. That's nearly half. It's a meaningful reduction that also helps lower emissions across Alsco Uniform branches in Australia and supports our progress towards our science-based targets.